Welcome! Today I'm showing how to hide photos into a gallery in your XIAOMI Redmi Note 11. Firstly, open your application gallery, standard application in this XIAOMI, not Google Photos, this one, only standard application, like this. So click it, and here you choose your photos you want to hide. So press and hold. Select this shot, okay. So press and hold to photos and select, for example, these 4 photos. And then on the bottom we got add to album button. So click it and choose private album. To view the items you made private, swipe down in the album. So click OK. And how you can see, photos added into private album. So if you want to view this photo, go into album, press and hold and swipe on the bottom, then enter privacy password, cancel. And here we got our 4 photos in our private album. So for settings your private album, need login into your XIAOMI account. So like Google, for example, using a phone number or using Google account or Facebook. So, and that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.